Alright, so now we're going to be looking at how to solve exponential word problems dealing with compound interest. The first thing you want to understand is your equation. Whenever you're dealing with an equation with compound interest, you want to do A, your total amount, normally your ending amount, equals P, your starting amount, times 1, that one's just always going to be there, plus R, the rate, always written as a decimal, divided by N, the number of times compounded per year, raised to the N, it'll be the same value, times T, the number of years you're dealing with. So let's look at this problem. Shayna invests $1,606 in a savings account with a fixed annual interest rate of 4%, compounded twice per year. What will the account balance be after 10 years? So let's look. We don't know our total amount yet. That's what we're trying to get. So it will be A equals P, the starting amount is 1,606 times 1, which is always going to be there, plus the rate is 4%. Always write that as a decimal. Don't mess it up if you don't write as a decimal. Divided by N, the number of times compounded per year, which is 2.04, divided by 2, raised to the N, the same value, times T, 10 years. Now let's just simplify this. Right here, we'll get A equals 1,606, just leave that the same, times the 0.04, divided by 2 will get you 0.02, and 0.02 plus 1 will get you 1.02, raised to the 2 times 10, which that'll just be 20. Now then, you don't want to multiply this by this yet. You want to raise this value to the exponent. So it'll be A equals 1,606, don't change that. In parentheses, 1.02 to the 20th will just get you a never-ending decimal. So here, we're just going to round to the nearest hundredth since it doesn't specify anything. So we're just going to go to 2 decimal places and get 1.49. Now then we can do 1.49 times 1,606 to get 2392.94, and that will be your total amount after compounding as interest annually. The most important thing is this equation. You can use this equation with anything. You just got to plug in the right numbers based on the word problem you get.